Have you forgotten the password of the online banking service of Truist Bank? If you have, then this video is just for you. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. This is How to Geek and today I'm back with another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of resetting the password of the online banking service of Truist Bank. So make sure to watch this video till the end in order to find out how you can do so. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.truist.com and hit in. You will then be redirected to the official website of Truist Bank. Now, click on the option Sign In that can be seen at the top right corner of the screen and then go to Reset Password. Now, select the option Forgot Truist Password. To reset your password, you first have to provide your email address, last 5 digits of your SSN, EIN or ITIN, and user ID. Business users that need password assistance should contact their company administrator. But if you are a primary administrator, you can continue resetting your password by entering the details here and then clicking on Continue. Once you have done that, follow the further instructions that will be provided and finally you will be able to reset the password of the online banking service of Truist Bank. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.